Hi everyone, in today's I'm going to explain to you how to sign that loop document. So you're going to have to open the document you need to sign and navigate to the field that requires your signature, and then you're going to have to make sure the field is assigned to you. So if the field is not currently assigned to you, you can reassign it by clicking on the field and choosing your name from the top menu, and then you're going to have to simply click sign now. So once the field is assigned, hover your mouse over the field and choose sign now from the drop down menu, and you'll be prompt to start signing. And then you're gonna have to simply adapt your signature. So the very first box that needs your signature or initial on the document, you'll ask to adapt your signature. This window will pop up as soon as you click sign now. Your name and initial will appear in both script and print. If you like to change your name and initials, simply click into the field where your name appears in print and can type in any change needed. If you like to draw your signature, click on the words draw signature, as you can see here in the bottom left hand corner of the window, and use your mouse or finger if you use a mobile device and draw your signature and initials. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.